Hello and welcome, my dear class 6 students. Today in this lesson we will do the exercise of the chapter How the Duck Found Himself a New Master. So go to page number 21 of your book Honeysuckle. Working with the test. Discuss these questions in pairs before you write the answers. Question number 1. Why did the duck feel the need for a master? So the answer is the duck felt the need for a master because he was sick and tired of wandering about alone, looking for food and afraid of those who were stronger than him. Now moving to the second question. Who did he first choose as his master? Why did he leave that master? So you see, the duck first chose a big, strong and fierce wolf as his master. Once the duck saw that the wolf was afraid that the bear would eat them up, since the duck wanted to serve only the strongest, he left the wolf. Now question number 3. Who did he choose next? He chose the bear to be his next master. Look, CHOOSE, choose, CHOSE, chose, chosen. Okay. Question number 4. Why did he serve the lion for a long time? He served the lion for a long time because he found there was no more powerful and stronger than lion in the forest, and so no one dared to touch the duck or offend him in any way. Therefore, the duck lived happily by serving the lion for a long time. Question number 5. Who did he finally choose as his master and why? So, he finally chose man as his master because one day he realized that lion was afraid of man, as he wanted to serve someone who was the most powerful and stronger than anyone on earth. He chose man as his master. Now B. We have to fill in the blanks to complete it, taking appropriate phrases from the box. So this is the story of a dog who used to be his own master. He decided to find a master stronger than anyone else. First he found a wolf, but the wolf was afraid of the bear. The dog thought that the bear was the strongest of all. After some time, the dog met a lion who seemed the strongest. He stayed with the lion for a long time. One day, he realized that the lion was afraid of man. To this day, the dog remains man's best friend. So now, working with the language. A dash of sheep, a fleet of sheep, a fleet of sheep. 2. A dash of flower, a bunch of flowers. 3. A brood of chicks, a team of cattle, a bundle of sticks, A herd of sheep, a school of fish, a pack of wolves. Okay. Now B. Make nouns form the words given below by adding NESS or ITY. For some words we need to add just TY or Y. Fast, honest, honesty, kind, kindness, cruel, cruelty, CALM, calm, calmness, sad, sadness, active, activity, creative, creativity, sincere, sincerity, cheerful, cheerfulness, bitter, bitterness, sensitive, sensitivity, great, greatness. So this is the end of this chapter. If you have any questions, just have to let me know in the comment section and I will talk to you there. Thank you.